Hereford Marine Corps Junior Reserve Officer Training Corps, or MCJROTC, is a leadership education course for high school students to help them develop good character traits, to develop into good citizens, and foster responsibility, and to build leadership skills. We focus a lot on leadership traits and principles. JROTC course is a PE credit. It's an elective, so any high school student can take this course to fulfill their PE credit. We additionally focus on leadership skills, and we have several venues for competitive outlets. One of those being marksmanship, which we've had a lot of success in the last few years. Marksmanship at this level is a 10-meter air rifle. The Marine Corps provides us what we refer to as sporter air rifles, which is the basic competition level. We train all students in the fall on the sporter rifles. We spend about 6 weeks teaching them the different positions and building the fundamentals. From there, the cadets that have an aptitude for it and an interest and good grades, because they have to still meet UIL eligibility, would get an invitation to join the Marksmanship Team. All right, so this here is a paper target. This is what we used to shoot on. The area that's black is the 4-ring and higher. It's about the size of a quarter. And the 10 is this tiny ½ millimeter dot right in the middle. That is the entire 10 scoring ring, more of a dot actually. We now have electronic targets, a system by the name of Athena, and we've had this for about 2 years now, and we are the only range in the entire Panhandle that has electronic targets. Hence why we tend to host as many matches as we do for the area.
To get to nationals, it was like something that was very hard to get to, especially after being on the team I was on the team for 3 years, and it was something that has been very hard, and seeing your improvement from my sophomore year to senior year, it has been a lot, and just being part of the team has improved me as not only as a shooter but as a whole person, and I thought nationals was something that was very great and a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. That was amazing and very fun.
It was pretty fun getting to compete. It was like nice to be there and see all the other teams there and just shooting. It was nice to actually see the finals. It was like a whole different thing that we didn't experience before, so it was pretty cool to see.
Honestly, nationals is it's a lot different than just a regular match that you go to in the state, honestly. It's actually really fun and very nerve-wracking all at the same time. You get to see a bunch of cool stuff, meet a lot of new people, even if you don't actually talk to them. It's honestly pretty inspiring to see just how much better someone actually is, whether they're your competition or you're just watching your teammates grow at that point.
I just practice at what I need help in, so my standing, that's what I've been practicing most. And in the nationals, that's the one I actually scored most on, which I was proud of.
Don't knock it till you try it, honestly. It's a lot more fun than you think, and you actually learn a lot more than you honestly would ever imagine, really. It's pretty fun, actually.